Hello everyone, this is Shamim and welcome to Simple Shamim 2.0 YouTube channel. In this video I am discuss about how to check a YouTube channel's total earning details, and at the same time you can check a YouTube channel user summary, future projection, details, statistics, feature box and similar channel, and her live subscriber count and her achievement. So don't skip the video and subscribe my channel to get new video. Okay, let's go. Now we know the total earning details for these YouTube channels, so we copy the YouTube channels link and go our search engine box and write here Social Blood, then search on Google. Then you can see this website at first. Enter the website, then you can see like this interface. You can see here is two box are available for search, so I am give here YouTube channels link and search here. Okay, you can see all details are show here. Okay, you can see her estimate monthly earning are 2.7k to 43.8k, and her estimate yearly earning are 32.8k to 525.2k. and you can see here here is her daily earning details, and you can see here many options are available. You can see her summary, so we click on user summary. Okay, you can see her summary view, and you can check here her future projection, and you can see her live subscriber count from here. Okay, so this way you can check YouTube channel's earning and view details or everything. So thanks for watching.